Advantages of material selection and process. For SINFT Filter Elements.
Hello and welcome to SINFT. Today I would like to introduce you the advantages of material selection and process of SINFT Filter Elements. When purchasing a filter element product, would you consider the following aspects? The above points are also the key considerations for our control and inspection of parts. Our products meet the standard of ISO 9001, which ensures us to provide products and services consistently to meet both regulatory and customer requirements. We know all the materials used for production. We know how to fabricate wire mesh. We know how to design the right products to suit your needs. We can provide drawings for approval. Our materials are available in any mesh or micron opening size. The surface of the products shipped by SINFT is beautiful and has no scratches. The mesh is even and has no dark lines. And the welding is beautiful and formed in one go. With the capabilities of cutting, bending, pleating, welding, stamping, injection molding, calendaring, CNC lathe, ultrasonic cleaning and laser marking, we can produce the wire mesh deep processing parts with precision and efficiency. We can offer the parts with rim, ring, handle, flange, thread, cap, O-ring, washer or gasket, etc. Good products cannot be made without high-quality raw materials. In terms of material selection, SINFT also possesses unique advantages. We offer a wide range of sintered felts and stainless steel raw materials in a variety of specifications to meet the diverse needs of the market. With a wide selection of stocks and specifications, we ensure flexibility and adaptability to meet the specific needs of our customers. We support special customization beyond regular products. If you have any needs, please feel free to visit the SINFT official website or leave a message below the video for consultation. Looking forward to seeing you again next time.